How to use Canva app for making an invitation card. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a stunning invitation card using the Canva app. Whether it's for a birthday, wedding, or any special occasion, Canva makes it easy to design beautiful invitations. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your device, and if you haven't downloaded it already, you head to the App Store and get it for free. Once you're in, log in and create an account if you don't have one. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and type in invitation card. This will bring up a variety of invitation templates that you can choose from. Scroll through the options and select a template that fits your event's theme. Once you've chosen a template, tap on it to open the editing screen. And here, you can customize the text by tapping on it. Change the event details like the date, time, and location to suit your invitation. You can also modify the font style and size from the toolbar at the bottom. If you want to add images or graphics, tap on the Elements tab at the bottom. You can search for icons, illustrations, or even upload your own images. Drag and drop them onto your design to enhance the look for your invitation. To make your invitation truly yours, consider changing the background color or pattern. Tap on the background and you'll see options to adjust the color or choose a new one from the palette. You can also use textures or images for a unique background. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to review everything. Make sure all the details are correct. When you're ready, tap on the share icon in the top right corner and select download. Choose your preferred file format and then tap download again. And there you go, you've created a beautiful invitation card using the Canva app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.